Digital twin technology, which involves creating a virtual replica of physical systems, is increasingly being recognized as a powerful tool to address and mitigate climate threats. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. By enabling real-time monitoring, simulation, and analysis of complex systems, digital twins can play a critical role in managing environmental impacts and enhancing climate resilience. Digital twin technology is increasingly being deployed across the UK to address climate threats, protect coastal areas, and enhance urban resilience. This technology, which creates virtual replicas of physical environments, allows for real-time monitoring, simulation, and analysis, providing valuable insights for managing environmental impacts and adapting to climate change. Digital twins can simulate flood scenarios in urban areas, helping city planners design more effective drainage systems and flood defenses. This proactive approach can reduce the impact of severe weather events on urban infrastructure. By modeling urban growth and infrastructure needs, digital twins can help planners optimize resource use and minimize environmental footprints. Digital twins can be used to monitor and manage renewable energy sources like the wind turbines and solar panels, optimizing their performance and integration into the energy grid. By creating digital replicas of energy grids, utilities can predict and manage energy loads more effectively, enhancing the resilience and efficiency of power systems. Digital twins can model agricultural fields to optimize water usage, crop yields, and pest control. This can lead to more sustainable farming practices and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. By simulating different climate scenarios, digital twins can help farmers prepare for and adapt to changing weather patterns. Through real-time monitoring, simulation, and analysis, digital twins provide vital tools for enhancing urban resilience, managing natural resources, and safeguarding communities against the impacts of climate change. As this technology continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly critical role in building a sustainable and resilient future. Let's look into today's headlines. NVIDIA begins to supply new AI chips to Tata Communications and Jio partners. AI chip giant NVIDIA has started delivering its latest chips such as GH200 AI to Indian partners such as Tata Communications and Jio platforms, which are building artificial intelligence cloud infrastructure in the country. There have been concerns raised about delays from the American chip giant in delivering chips as companies compete for a larger portion of the AI market. In September last year, NVIDIA announced partnerships with Reliance and Tata Group companies to help them develop AI-powered supercomputers, AI clouds, and generative AI applications. Foxconn eyeing to assemble iPads amid Apple's expansion. Foxconn is reportedly planning to expand its operations in India by assembling Apple's flagship iPad. Currently, the Taiwanese contract manufacturer's efforts in India are primarily centered on manufacturing iPhones. Foxconn is considering starting iPad assembly at its Sri Perumbudur facility in Tamil Nadu. According to a source, several discussions with the government have already taken place. However, it might take a while to begin assembling the Mac range of laptops due to the limited production volume. ServiceNow to invest in telecommunications services partner Prodapt. ServiceNow has announced its decision to make a strategic investment in telecom network and service partner Prodapt. As the first ServiceNow ecosystem ventures investment targeting the telco industry segment, Prodapt will promote the Now platform to expand business transformation and leverage the learnings across clients through the development of new telecom and technology industry-specific AI-enabled solutions, enhanced industry and domain-specific go-to-market capabilities, and increased skilling of certified ServiceNow experts. Google announces India-focused features in its Maps service. Google has announced 6 new AI-powered features for its Maps service in India. The software giant has reportedly built an artificial intelligence model, especially keeping Indian roads in mind and utilizing satellite imagery and street view data to estimate road width. Type of road, distance between buildings, tree covers, poles and drains have also been accounted for to aid four-wheeler drivers navigate narrow roads. ISRO launches Immersion Startup Challenge to encourage space exploration. In a bid to encourage space exploration, the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, in collaboration with IIIT Hyderabad's National Remote Sensing Center, that is NRSC, has announced the ISRO Immersion Startup Challenge. The AI for Space Immersion Startup Challenge is a dynamic platform where startups, researchers, students, and industry leaders converge to explore, innovate, and collaborate. It is designed to nurture the next generation of space tech pioneers. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Var India magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.